Hey, so here's my edit of the Zombie Infection Simulator by Kevin Davis from 2003. Made some changes, have some hopes and dreams for the future, but let me go and show you what it looks like running it in processing. Here's my code, and we're going to go ahead and run it. As you can see, I have the window larger than you can have it in the original. It's 1000 by 1000. Its default is 250 by 250 in the original code, which is super small, but computer screens back in 2003 weren't as big. So I can increase the zombie count. So I can go way high, like obscenely high. I can also increase the zombie population up to 20,000 and back down. And I can let me reduce the zombie counts again and increase the human count. Another thing I've done is added a decay toggle. Basically, zombies after they have lived for about 28 seconds is the variable that's coded into the code here. After 28 seconds, they will die off. By default, I have that disabled, but you can enable it with the D key. We just wait here for a little bit. And I'll go ahead and press it. As you can see, immediately a bunch of zombies died and they're starting to die off. If I press D again, they'll stop dying. One of the issues I have that I'm looking into is the fact that I can press D to enable decay and zombies instantly die off. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do decay toggling without having to reset the simulation. That way you can like change it mid game. Like, oh my god, there's too many zombies. Let's kill some of them off. But without it being instant, you know. So I'm still working that out. But yeah, and yeah, I think having a larger window to work with works really well with the game. I can expand it even further if I wanted to. I can probably make it like 1900 by 1900 by 1000. Make it like basically the entire width of my monitor. Yeah, of course, 1920 by 1080p. This is gonna look smaller if you're running it on 4K, of course. It's not scalable, but if you need to, you can always just use Windows magnification um, to zoom in on the window, which is what I've done running the original scripts. But yeah, so that's what I've got. And I also changed the Z key, which would reset it, to R for reset, because R for reset makes a lot better sense. I don't know why it would ever be Z, honestly. But yeah, you can reset it with R instead. You might have some toggles to have more holes in the walls and stuff in the future, and I like to figure out a way to make um, the enclaves not possible. So you always have a connected path, maybe wider paths as well. I know I can set stroke size with processing. I'm looking at doing that so I can have wider pathways. So it's not just these 1 by 20 you know corridors basically, or hallways. Yeah, make it more like a street system, or maybe have a mix of them. Have different stroke sizes. Yeah, that'd work too. But yeah, that's what I've got. Thanks for watching.